So today I am continuing my makeover with the Outer Glow makeup palette for fall. I'm going to use the Smoke and Taupe all over my lid and into my crease, kind of making it super simple to apply because I'm doing an all over color. So if you are simplicity minded and you need simplicity, minimal makeup application, this is a great step for you. Just do the one color, it's like a medium tone color from your lid through your crease and blend it high if you have a hooded eye. I'm just going to blend that through my eye just like that. Okay, so now I'm going to take this color here, Hearts Aflame. I'm using my blending brush, so it's a little bit of a lighter application, and I'm going to blend it through my crease. I am applying this pinkish color that has some shimmer to it through my crease, and it does not look like texturized skin. It's so soft. It's so beautiful. It's such a great color. Look at that combo. Now I need to blend it, but that's so pretty together. Next, I'm going to take that same Hearts Ablaze. I'm going to line the top lines of my lashes just to give me like a little bit of a soft outline of color. It's not going to be super dark, but it looks really pretty around the eyes. And I'm also going to take a little bit of the brighter pink right here and put that on the outer corner, just like that. And now I'm going to take Lilac Spark. This is a really pretty shimmery color. It's very light, and I'm going to tap it on the inner corner of my eye, my tear duct area, and a little bit on that inner corner, not going all the way over, just on the inner corner part of my eye to open up my eyes. And I'm going to line my eye with the waterproof liquid eyeliner pen, just to give me a nice thin eyeline, keeping it as close to my eyelashes as possible. So when it comes to this pen, it's really important that you kind of just do little dashes. If you try to draw it, you won't get as precise of a line. So you see I'm just kind of doing little dashes. I'm following my eyelashes as my stencil. And as I get closer, I'm fading it. And now I'm going to smooth it out by going across. Next, on my cheeks, what I started off with was the Soft Buff Liquid Gel Cream Blush. This is a really light color. I already have it on, but I'm going to show you what it looks like. It's very soft, and I decided I wanted a little bit more color, and because these add such beautiful glow, anything you put over it is still going to glow through. So if you struggle with your makeup staying on for some reason, if you're on your phone a lot or you're touching your face a lot, having this base cream blush underneath whatever you put on is going to help keep it on longer. This is really pretty, especially if you like a softer cheek look, but I like bolder looks on me because of my coloring. I would still wear this, but I decided to try the Hearts Aflame eyeshadow as my blush. What do you think? Do you like these colors? I'm wearing the Radiant Pink Tinted Lip Balm on my lips. It's a beautiful combo. It looks still really natural, and I can enhance it even darker if I wanted to, but I'm keeping it soft today.